Howdy, students. Alright, starting off solving for the variables, one of the big things you want to do is make sure you make these problems easy before you start to attack. Example, we've got minus and negative 5. We're going to take and rewrite this to plus 5 before we get started so that everything flows a little smoother. Pull this one from both sides. We get 6j is equal to 18. We divide the 6 off, and we'll get j is equal to 3. On our next one, combine this up, 4 minus 9, it gives us negative 5k. Divide the negative 5 off, and we'll get k is equal to negative 2. On our next one, we're going to distribute the negatives, and that allows us to continue our problem. From here, we just join up the like terms. I'm going to get 6c plus 7 equals 37. Pull the 7 from both sides. 6c is equal to 30. Last step will be to divide that 6 off, and I'll get c is equal to 5. On this one, join up the like terms. Notice I'm not moving anything. We're just joining the like terms. So I'm going to get 9w minus 21 is equal to 51. Add the 21 to both sides, and I'll get 9w is equal to 72. Divide the 9 off, and w is equal to 8. Next, combine the like terms. 19 minus 15 is going to be 4. Move the 4.4 to the other side. You're going to get a 0 here, but that's fine. We're going to treat it just like any other number. Divide the 2 off, 22 rather. You'll get d is equal to 0. Going to number 6. I'm going to add the 12 h's to both sides. Cancels out over here. And that'll give me 39 is equal to 8h minus 17. I've got 56 is equal to 8h. Divide the 8 off, and I will get h is equal to 7. On number 7, the first thing I need to do is take and distribute my 3. 9n plus 12 is equal to 54 plus 6n. At this point, I can subtract the 6n from both sides. I'm going to subtract the 12 from both sides after that's done and get 3n is equal to 42. Divide the 3 off, and I'm going to get n is equal to 14. Now on this next one, you got some choices with the fraction. You can either multiply everything in the equation by 3 to get rid of it, or this is a great time to distribute the fraction. 1/3 of 24 is 8. 1/3 of 66 is 22. And then I just work it out now. I'm going to add the 22 to both sides and subtract 3p from both sides. And that's going to give me 5p. This cancels, equals 55. Divide the 5 off, and p will equal 11. Just like that. Number 9. Cross multiply. I've got 5 times 4 equals 12 times x plus 1. Don't forget those parentheses. So 20 is equal to 12x plus 12. Subtract the 12. I'm going to get 8 is equal to 12x. When I divide the 12 off, remember that 12 is on the bottom. We've got 8 divided by 12, which reduces to 2 over 3. Now, on this next one, I'm going to get 7 times r plus 2 is equal to 7 times 5. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to divide both sides by 7. I have 7 times this much equals 7 times that much. So if I divide both sides by 7, it'll cancel out, and I'll get r plus 2 is equal to 5. And then I very easily subtract the 2 to the other side to get r is equal to 3. Last problem, multiply both sides. 3 times z minus 1 equals 7 times z minus 2. So 3z minus 3 is equal to 7z minus 14. I'm going to pull the 3z from both sides. and that's going to give me -3 is equal to 4z minus 14. Add the 14 to both sides, and I'm going to get, what's that going to be, 11 is equal to 4z. Divide both sides by 4. Z is equal to 11 over 4. You could put it as, 2.75 if you wanted to. It really depends on which teacher you have, what they allow, what they accept, that kind of stuff to be, what you end up putting down there. Next page.